Do you feel mentally exhausted from thinking too much? Do the same thoughts keep running in your mind even when you want them to stop? Do you find yourself worrying about situations again and again without finding a solution? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Blissful Minds. I am Geeta Hunrao, psychological counselor. In our previous video, we discussed that what overthinking is, why it happens, and how it affects our mind and body. Today, let's talk about something even more important. How can we stop overthinking? Many people ask me, Ma'am, I know I am overthinking, but how do I stop it? The good news is that overthinking is a habit, and like any habit, it can be changed with practice. These techniques may not stop overthinking overnight, but with regular practice, they can significantly reduce its impact on your daily life. Let's look at 7 practical techniques that can help. Technique 1. Identify the thought. The first step is awareness. Most people get carried away by their thoughts without realizing it. Whenever you notice stress, anxiety, or worry, pause and ask yourself, what exactly am I thinking right now? Give the thought a name. For example, I am worrying about my exam. I am worrying about my future. I am imagining a negative outcome. Once you identify the thought, you create distance between yourself and the thought. Remember, you are not your thoughts. You are the observer of your thoughts. Technique 2. Ask yourself one powerful question. Whenever you catch yourself overthinking, ask, is this thought helping me solve the problem? Or is it simply making me worry? If the thought is helping you take action, continue. If it is only creating stress, it is probably overthinking. This simple question can stop many unnecessary thought cycles. Technique 3. Focus on facts, not assumptions. Overthinking often grows from assumptions. For example, my boss looked serious today. Immediately the mind says, maybe I did something wrong. But where is the evidence? Instead of assumptions, focus on facts. Ask yourself, what facts do I actually know? Many fears disappear when we separate facts from imagination. Technique 4. Write it down. Our mind often exaggerates problems. When thoughts stay inside the head, they feel larger than they really are. Take a notebook and write, what am I worried about? What can I do if it happens? What is the worst case scenario? Many people feel immediate relief after writing their thoughts down. Writing brings clarity. Technique 5. Limit your worry time. This technique surprises many people. Instead of fighting your worries all day, schedule a specific worry period. Choose 15 minutes every day. During that time, allow yourself to think about your concerns. Outside that time, gently remind yourself, I will think about this during my worry period. This trains the brain not to worry constantly. Technique 6. Keep your body active. The mind and body are connected. When we move our body, we reduce stress. Walking, yoga, stretching, exercise, deep breathing, even simple activities like walking, gardening, dancing, or household work can help shift attention from repetitive thoughts. A calm body supports a calm mind. Even A 20 minutes walk can reduce mental clutter. Technique 7. Bring your attention back to the present. Overthinking usually lives in the future or the past. Peace exists in the present moment. Look around you. Notice 5 things you can see. Notice 4 things you can touch. Notice 3 things you can hear. Notice 2 things you can smell. Notice 1 thing you can taste. This grounding exercise helps bring the mind back to reality. Before we end, remember, the goal is not to stop thinking completely. Thinking is healthy. Planning is healthy. Problem solving is healthy. The goal is to stop repetitive thinking that creates stress without creating solutions. Every time you notice overthinking, gently bring your attention back to what you can control. One step, one task, one moment at a time. Because peace is not found by controlling everything. Peace is found by accepting that not everything can be controlled. And remember, you don't have to believe every thought that enters your mind. Thoughts are visitors. You can choose which one deserve your attention. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Blissful Minds. Take care of yourself and remember, your mind deserves rest just as much as your body does.